best fuel-efficient and safest cars and SUVs in 2026, even under $25,000. Gas prices are through the roof, and repair bills keep climbing. But in 2026, you don't have to choose between saving money and driving something you'll actually love. The safest, most fuel-efficient car you can buy right now costs under $25,000, and it's not even a Toyota. Meet the Hyundai Elantra Hybrid, starting at just $25,450 with a jaw-dropping 54 miles per gallon combined. You're basically driving for free. But here's the one that's really blowing my mind, the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. 38 miles per gallon in a spacious SUV, a full 10-year warranty, and loaded with top safety tech. Everyone tells you to buy a Toyota. I'm here to tell you, Hyundai might actually be the smarter choice this year. Of course, the Toyota Corolla Hybrid is still the king of reliability, 50 miles per gallon, and it basically never breaks down. Want insane efficiency? The new Toyota Prius hits a crazy 57 miles per gallon. And yes, it actually looks amazing now. Volkswagen finally nailed it too. The new Tiguan with mild hybrid tech gets 31 miles per gallon, starts around $30,800, and it's genuinely fun to drive. And if you want luxury without the guilt, the Lexus RX Hybrid wraps you in premium comfort with solid efficiency and the smoothest ride on the list. Every single one of these earned top IIHS safety awards and 5-star NHTSA ratings. So which one are you picking in 2026? The crazy affordable Elantra, the secret weapon Tucson Hybrid, or something else? Drop your choice in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe to Car Care Review Central, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Drive smart.